The World Bank stated that Indonesia is one of the 9 countries with the highest growing rate and holds the 4th position of the most populous countries in the world, exceeding 100 million citizens. The growth of population in Indonesia leads to the need of more living space, but sadly, the available space isn't increasing. This phenomenon leads to the promotion of small and compact living spaces in Indonesia as a way of the government to limit the use of space. Living space, or generally accommodation, is also associated with places to stay in the short term, such as an inn, lodging, resort, and etc. Hotels are the first choice for a tourist to stay in a limited period of time. But nowadays, capsule hotels are also a great choice for tourists, especially for backpackers, being a choice which offer cheaper rates with the same purpose. Space is one of the limited aspects a capsule hotel can offer. In this limited space, some furniture might be needed by the guests to simply arrange their personal care and belongings.
The problem is how to fit more furniture and belongings in this limited space of a capsule hotel room.
Monstro Hook will be the great solution, being able to accommodate the user's belongings without requiring large spaces. This product is adjustable, equipped with nano-suction layer at the back of the product, making it easier to move and place where the user needs. Monstro Hook could be used as a hanger and as a shelf.
Wait, why should I invest in that furniture?
Economically speaking, saving more space by space-saving furniture in a capsule hotel could help bring more income for the owner. In the same size of space, owners could offer more rooms with space-saving furniture. If the owners decided to use a standard rack in every room, then the size needed for each room will increase. While when using space-saving furniture in the same amount of space, owners will be more likely to have one or more extra room from the space needed for the furniture. The number of rooms offered by the owner will affect the income of the capsule hotels, having something more to offer to the public. Monstro Hook is the solution for your space-saving needs.